Inflate the snow tube. You may use an electric pump for air mattresses, as shown here. You may also use a balloon or ball pump. Cut the Velcro strip into 10 12-inch pieces. You only need the hook side. Turn the snow tube bottom side up. Arrange the 10 Velcro strips evenly around the snow tube, as shown. Peel and stick each strip to the tube, as shown. For the cell model, use only the Velcro dots with hooks. Do not use the Velcro dots with loops. Arrange the 60 Velcro dots evenly across the center of the snow tube.